Good evening. Today is October 19, 2023 Thursday, and here are the 7 p.m. Estel Visayas result today. Here are the Estel Sword 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Thursday, October 19, 2023. Here are the SL Sword 3 7 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Fiona Trading and Supply Corporation for October 19, 2023, Thursday. Here are the STL Sword 3 7 p.m. result for Cebu City under LTS Advance Incorporated for October 19, 2023, Thursday. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of October 19, 2023, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.